Guys, we have some really important news regarding MIR4, and not just one, we have got 3 important news, so watch this video till the end. We got announcement notice regarding their upcoming changes, also they have banned lots of accounts and many more. So guys, before we start this video, make sure to hit that like, share this video and subscribe to our channel, and without further ado, let's get started. So guys, we got this news from the MIR forum, and here you can see talking about the first one. On to the 12th July, there will be a scheduled maintenance, and the affected regions are Asia, India, MENA, EU, SA and NA. And what they are doing in the scheduled maintenance and there will be a in-game update reclaiming control, new feature called brag, also a new system called relic, improve your character stats by promoting relics, also there is a new content called Dragon World Drip, and new item legendary blue dragon statue, also mirage scroll back. Also please note that guys, maintenance schedule may change depending on to the circumstances. And guys, talking about the maintenance schedules, here we got all the maintenance schedules for each of the time zones. So here in the Asia, India, MENA, EU and SANA, both all of these locations, you can see the maintenance schedules. So maintenance will be conducted on tomorrow, July 12 and July 11. So maintenance schedules will be begin on July 11 and July 12 on these respected time zones, and about 8 hours of scheduled maintenance will be carried out. And talking about the new announcement and their upcoming changes, MIR4 has become more than a game. It's now a lifestyle to many Dragonians from all over the world. This new update will be focusing on increasing the difficulty of hidden valleys and dark steel mines, especially for the bots and multi-boxing abusers. And following this update, there is a rework of Altar Darkness will take place on August 9, which is designed to enforce responsibility upon those who rule over the server. This update will encourage idea of noblesse oblige by setting guidelines on relationship between responsibilities and circumstances of powerful leaders. Also on August 23rd, there will be a major change will take place through merging of the servers, and the phase 1 intended as a prelude of conquest prior to beginning the greatest war yet to be unveiled. While majority of servers will remain intact, certain servers will merge and in preparation for the launch of conquest servers, which is scheduled to be released on September 2022. Once the conquest servers will become live, up to 16 servers will wage in a war in a single interconnected server. In addition to the merging of servers, brand new NFT servers will also introduce where creation of new characters will not be allowed. Only mightiest and bravest Dragonians with existing characters NFT will be invited. And yet another grand story, free from bot and multi-boxing abusers. And guys, talking about the most important news, they have banned more than 30,000 and guys, they are banning over 13,307 accounts. These accounts are either banned or restricted for some reason. And what is the reason? Due to use of unauthorized programs and violation of operational policy. Obviously you can submit a support ticket through their website heading over to this link, but they have zero tolerance policy, and if you are using unauthorized programs, softwares, manipulation things into the game data, hacking and cheating and exploiting and that kind of stuff, unfortunately they have permanently restricted more than this number of accounts. If your account is banned as well, all you can do is submit a ticket onto this link given over here. Guys, I hope you got all the important updates. If this video was helpful, make sure to hit that like, share this video, subscribe to our channel, and this is Kedar from How to Guys signing out.